To register MSME or Udyam registration, search Udyam registration. Go to a website udyamregistration.gov.in. Correctly check the website because there are several fake websites out there and there is no need to pay any fees to Udyam registration. Carefully check before applying. After you get into a site, you can see there is several options. If you are new, you can apply for a new entrepreneur who does not registered under MSME. If you have UAM, you can also register in a link there where you already have UAM. So in the portal you can see more details about the MSME or Udyam registration or Udyam Aadhaar. It can be called in several names. It is a one-time registration process. There is no need to renewal it. It is a permanent one. You have to delete it if you want to do another business in another state. It is one for one state. Carefully check the website. If you are new entrepreneur, click on new entrepreneur. After that, it will ask your Aadhaar number and the name of the entrepreneur. The name of the entrepreneur should be entered as it is in Aadhaar. Then you will get a OTP that which the Aadhaar number has, the phone. After OTP, it will go to a next page where you have to put your PAN number and choose the type of organization. If you are proprietor, single owner, then proprietorship choice. If you are partnership firm, then choice partnership. If trust, like that, proprietorship, HUF, there are several options are there. Click on it and enter the PAN. After that, enter the date of birth or date of incorporation as per in the PAN and the name as per the PAN. After that, if you have filed ITR, it will show yes, otherwise show no. Then it asks if you have GST or yes or no. If you has, put yes, otherwise no. The details of other information are given. Then it will ask your category, general, SC, ST, OBC, choice it. After that, it asks your gender, male, female or others, choice it. After that, it will ask physically disabled or not, choice it. After that, it will ask you to enter the name of the enterprises. The name of the enterprises, it should be a shop or your industry name, you should put in that. After that, the second line, it will ask plant or unit name. Put the same name in that place and press add unit option. Carefully put the name. You can edit it also, but if you carefully put the name, then there will be no consequences. But Udyam is one registration for one state only. If you are registered in Maharashtra and another business you want to register in, you close that business in Maharashtra, and after that you want to start a business in Kerala, you cannot transfer that. You have to close that for that. Okay. You can close it by cancel. Udyam options is also available in this portal, so choose that. After adding the unit, the 12 point would be location. Name, unit name, you will choice option will be there. Then add the address of the plant and put add plant option. Office address, same address you can put in second option. It will ask date of incorporation. Date of incorporation and date of commencement. The both date should be same or different. Anything could be. After that, it will ask bank name, IFSC and account number. After that, you have to choose the services. If you have a service or manufacturing unit, after that it will ask you number of employees, and after that it will ask you how much the written down value of the 23-24 or population, etc. There are several questions regarding the several questions regarding the portal registered in Skill India. Based on your experience, click yes or no, whatever you want. After that, submit options is there. After, you will get a OTP for submission. Putting that OTP, you will get a Udyam number. After that, you will go to an option called print Udyam. Then put a Udyam number and OTP. After that, you will get your MSME certificate or Udyam registration. You can easily verify the details by clicking three dot there. There is a option print or verify. You can click on that. If you want to update, take the print option. After that, you will see a update option there. Okay. If you are submitting that details to bank, then print with annexure option is also available. Take the printout of that, because banks want the annexure also. So first page is not only the after that, 2 pages are required for bank. So take it. If you like or any questions regarding arise, please ask. Thank you. If you like, share and subscribe.